Alright, so I got this message from this photographer that I was meant to be meeting up with here in Tokyo. He was actually meant to shoot this model and he couldn't do that, so he's asked me to do it. I think we're going to some sort of, I don't even know what it is. It's like some sort of museum or something. I'm shooting with this model. Her name's Lugal and we're going to be shooting there. I really have no idea. This is a really last minute thing, so I thought I'd create a vlog about it. So no more talking, let's just go see what happens. Guys, check out this. This is insane. So this room that I'm in now, it's literally just covered in flowers. Like, there's flowers everywhere, but we want to try and find this room that's got all these things hanging down. And we're not sure where it is, so we're gonna go try and look for that now. Hopefully we can find it. What? Oh my god. This is insane, holy shit. I was not expecting it to be this cool in here. What do you think?
I'm blown away, this is so cool.
If you're an Instagrammer, you'd love this room. This is where all the Instagrammers come. That was absolutely amazing. That was so much fun. I would highly recommend that to anyone who's going to Japan. I think there's some other ones around the world. I think there's one in Singapore or something. I'm not sure, but I'd recommend you go for sure. It was insane. So with this first shot here, it was the first location. It was alright, but there wasn't really much going on. It was just sort of like a blue background and there was heaps of people in that room. And this photo here was probably my favorite to take because of how cool the room was. Like, it was just insane. There's lights literally everywhere you look, because there's mirrors on the floor as well. With this next photo, we saw this one on Instagram and we were trying to find it, but we're having such a hard time because this place is literally like a maze. Like, it is so hard to find your way around, but we eventually found it. And once we got in there, we thought, awesome, let's plan some shots, we'll have a think about it. And then next thing we know, we're getting kicked out because you're only allowed to be in there for like 1 or 2 minutes because they've got a huge line of people to get through, so we didn't realize that. So this shot was really rushed and last minute, but I'm actually pretty happy with it because it's pretty hard to take a bad photo in this location, as you can see. Anyways, that's the end of the video. My camera's about to die. I can see the battery's flashing red. If you haven't already checked out Lugal, I'll leave her link right here. If you like this video, remember to hit like and maybe consider subscribing. Anyways, that's all from me. Stay inspired, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.